pretty freaking epic. After working 8 hours, I'm going somewhere. And if you look, you can see the mountains. Are you going to the mountains? Did I hear rock climbing now? What are they, pebbles? Shit, if you want to see rock climbing, we'll give you fucking rock climbing. We'll climb the fucking mountain. Motherfucker. Okay. Alright. Look at that.
The ice of your heart. Oh wait, that was me. Oh wait, that was me. I froze to death.
I can't believe he tried to tell you to pull over. Shit just got real. Where are we? Look down there, Victoria. Yeah, sometimes when I'm with you, I fucking would.
Floating over I have no soul, no conscience, floating for 1 minute.
Look at this awesome view. I think you have something to say on your back. Hilarious. If you haven't noticed, we got our epic boarding. You haven't noticed. I love this. I love it. I'm loving it.
Still on you, getting used like you're enslaved. Bottles up, learning to love, floating over.
This is our rock climbing. Show them, Victoria. We've accomplished the rock climbing. Just kidding. Just kidding. We're climbing that shit. Woo!
I see you touching your wish. I see your body. I hear your heart call my name. 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 Do the words still on you? Getting used like you're enslaved. Bottled up, learning to love, floating over land. Do the words still on you? Getting used like you're enslaved. Bottled up, learning to love.
I don't know if you can see birds, but they're here. Here's Brandy trying to get down. I don't know if she'll succeed. Does it look okay to climb down there? No. Then why are you doing it? We're adventure! So much bugs. Hold on.
I'm heaven sent. Don't you dare forget. I am all you've ever wanted. What all the other boys all promised. Sorry I told. I just needed you to know. I think in decimals and dollars. I am the cause to all your problems. Shelter from cold. We are never alone. Coordinate brain and mouth. Then ask me what it's like to have myself so figured out. I wish I knew. I hope this song starts a craze. The kind of song that ignites the airwaves. The kind of song that makes people glad to be where they are, with whoever they're there with. This is war. Every line is about who I don't want to write about anymore.
What we awesome! Shit!
Girl, look at you tackling in woods.
Danger! No danger. That's the dangerous one.
Don't hurt your ankles.
I don't need ankle. No. I'm a gate. I'm a gate. I'm a fucking gate. You're not a gate. I'm a gate.
This is the way you wish. Your voice sounds handsome and smart. Oh, my tongue's the only muscle on my body that works harder than my heart. And it's all from watching TV and from speeding up my breathing. Wouldn't stop if I could. Oh, it hurts to be this good. You're holding on to your grudge. Oh, it hurts to always have to be honest with
You just tripped.
Oh, fucking gate! Okay.
Trading, I'm falling apart. We were contenders, I'm throwing a fight. I just wanna believe. I just wanna believe. I just wanna believe. We're concentrating, I'm falling apart. We were contenders, I'm throwing a fight. I just wanna believe. I just wanna believe. I just wanna believe.
I don't have much time left on this video, so we're calling it up this shit.
You see that in your guys' videos? Because I only saw a brief second of them. So Victoria, I'm making her come with me. Because if we get stuck together. Friendship, girl. And we're getting attacked by bugs. Or more specifically, I'm getting attacked by bugs because I guess they really like... They really like my hair. Travel Denver with it. Rocks.
Yeah, I didn't see any of this shit in here, guys.
All I saw was cows. Sorry, I couldn't provide a cow. All I can provide is nature. And people found us. We're gonna be epic. So, let's not talk about that. Let's not think about how we're gonna get down.
We gotta finish climbing. We were down there. Whoa, whoa, look! Victoria, do you see anything? Whoa, what is this? I see rocks!
Trees and rocks.
I see war paint.
Fuck your shit.
Randy's butt. We're going uphill, so there's no avoiding it. Going up another hill to get to that big rock. Is that a fucking mini bar? Oh shit. Oh, I felt consciously.
Watch out for this rock right here.
I have no idea what this video is gonna look like because
Give me the camera. Not give me your hand, give me the camera.
This is how it looks. It looks like you're adventuring. What? You can smell me? That's why birds love me. I just have to take the time to laugh at you guys. As I'm climbing up this second, I feel like it is a very convenient. Yeah, convenient time to laugh. Easy. My ass. Time to climb this shit. How well do you think I can climb this, Victoria? Do you want to try it? Me first try.
Overcome this and be everything in the end, but I choose to refuse for the time being. Maybe I'll win, but for now I've decided to die. Sister soldier, you've been such a positive influence on my mental frame. If I could ever repay you, I would, but I'm hard up for cash and my memory lacks initiative. Goddamn, the liquor store's closed. We were so close to scoring. It hurts, it destroys till it kills. I am tired and hungry and totally useless. In this department.
So we got to the top. Hey, Victoria.
Hey.
Just wanted to show you kind of how fucking epic it is. We're up a little bit high, like, let's see. I need to throw something down.
This is morning.
See the stick?
It's when I spend the most.
Yeah, you die if you fall. Or you at least break something. We don't care, we're adventurers. We're adventurers. Adventurers who wear nice smelly stuff and get attacked by bugs. That's kind of adventurers. But yeah, fun. Not, that's why I was like, if this tree goes down, we're going down with it. Hey guys, we're climbing down now. But I thought it'd be pretty funny, because we're probably gonna fall on our asses. Watch Victoria. Turn around, Victoria. What happens when you are injured? Oh god. Oh yeah. Oh no, it doesn't have any more, I think.
That angle was nice. What's up, dog? How you doing? You having a good day, dear?